All right, so we're out at the Big Bear Motocross Grand Prix. Just got registration done, so we're just checking out the track, and honestly it looks better than I thought. There's a lot more elevation than what I saw in the video they did, so should be a fun day. I signed up for the 30 amateur class, and then Scott's doing 40 amateur, so I'm expecting there to be some fast guys in the classes, but see where we end up, maybe mid-pack. The rest of the night, just chill out, get some dinner, and then tomorrow we're doing practice, so I think around 2 o'clock we get to come practice for like 40 minutes, and then race days on Saturday, so yeah, we'll see you tomorrow and check out the track. All right, good morning. It's practice day, so just getting the bikes gassed up, and we're gonna head over there.
Ready?
Yeah. You put 91, right?
Diesel. This is a Sprinter van. It takes diesel.
That's probably why you came out to check on us, because he thought you were going to put diesel in your van. Scott's wrench on the bike. A righty tighty.
Ready to try to get running loosey left tighty?
What time you want to go over there? You're at 21.
We got 20 minutes. I'm just gonna go over there because there's still guys grinding around.
Alright. I'll cruise over in a minute. Scott's all antsy, so I'm gonna head out, go chill there for like 20 minutes and start practicing. All right, first impressions. There's like no all the corners were all marble rocks. All the the insides end up drifting outside. And yeah, super rough. Did you hit any rocks? What about did you do the finish jump?
Yeah, first lap.
Really?
Yeah.
You cleared it?
I didn't clear it.
I overshot it a little bit, but it didn't it wasn't bad.
You know we were bunched up in the trees?
When people ate it?
Right, I pulled up right behind you. I was gonna go around you.
Oh,
and then right as I went to go around you, you went. And then I fucking was like off balance and I went to go put my right foot down and I fell all the way down the hill.
Oh my God.
Like, so bad.
Yeah, we were debating on even washing them, but have nothing else to do, so. Came out good.
Put my condom off.
Oh yeah. You need some cutters?
Do you have cutters?
Yeah. Yeah, Scott broke his map switch on the practice lap, so we put a glove over it.
Yeah, it all starts with you. Everything you ever wanted, everything you ever dreamed, it starts now, it starts today. There is no tomorrow. I'm tired of your fucking excuses, nigga. Ain't nobody coming to save you, nigga. It's you. It's you versus you, nigga. It's all bad you want this shit, huh? Come on. Yeah. My social meter ran out, so you know I'm finna dip. I just wanna stack this cake, stay out the way, yeah, that's it. Ain't nobody gave a damn about a young nigga till you got rich. I'm geeking way too hard, yeah, I'm finna glitch. I just changed my whole lifestyle, I just cut off dead weight. Now they know I'm fly as shit. We always have potential, I'm just cashing in my chips. Melly Mike just like Steph, yeah, cause he don't miss. I don't give my energy to nobody except my clique. Yeah, I just spent a couple bands eating good on a dish. They don't say congratulations, but you know they watch that shit. I ain't even gon' get mad. I'm young, black and rich. She tryna sell me lies, bitch. I ain't buying shit. If we ain't talking money, then I'ma pick a bitch. I put ice in my mouth, yeah, I'm hydrated. I ain't even gon' get mad. I'm young, black and rich. She tryna sell me lies, bitch. I ain't buying shit. If we ain't talking money, then I'ma be the bitch. I put ice in my mouth, yeah, I'm hydrated. I ain't even gon' get mad. I'm young, black and rich. I ain't even gon' stay in your life. 745, gotta catch that flight. Both my flight, my life on private. Gotta take the bad bitch out for an hour. I don't see too much, nigga, I'm silent. We fell off sweet in a line. Yeah, money coming and I get on a different time. Yeah, you niggas in the to the still gotta pay me homage. Yeah, why you so nosy? What the fuck wrong with your silence? Yeah, got so much on my plate that we find dining. Yeah, we love like this, they do this, say like something.
So overall, my race didn't go that great. It took me forever to get in a groove, and then I had a tip over, so some guys got past me again, but it was okay. Cool to race on the ski slope though. But I'm gonna go get some shots for Scott's race right now and see how he does. Yeah, this event is crazy busy though. They had 700 riders and then there's a ton of spectators here. So it makes it pretty fun. let's go get Scott's initial reactions.
I don't know, my bike wouldn't start, or I like couldn't hear that it was running, and I just was holding the starter button. I couldn't tell.
Hell yeah.
And then finally I got going. Like, dude, I was like last off the line probably.
Yeah.
I don't know, it was pretty bad. But I passed a bunch of people on the first lap, which was good. And then,
Well, maybe we'll get better than 40th out of 45. That's what I got.
did you really? Oh my god. I doubt it. Not with that crash. 40th?
Yeah. I had a feeling people are going to be like sandbagging though.
Yeah, you see the class in front of me? There was nothing.
Yeah.
Everyone's
I
like,
know.
I'm gonna drop down a class. Well, I should have stepped up a class. I could have got 15th. Would have been
Yeah.
last place, but still. I don't care about last time.
Yeah, I don't
Just do it
care.
for fun, though.
Yeah.
It's dude, that crash, man. Fuck, it sucked.
I was literally
That took me
like, I
forever.
saw you and I was like, oh shit, there's Scott. So I like started recording and then right after.
I had a battle on the last lap, dude. Yeah.
Hell
That
yeah.
was fucking fun, dude.
That was fun. Whew. I had a fucking stupid crash at the bottom of the hill here. It was
I had fucking almost tucked the front so many times, dude.
Yeah.
I had a hell of a start.
I did not. I was the
Yeah,
last
you did
person to
good.
leave.
I was in
The
that.
bike wouldn't even, either it wasn't starting or I couldn't hear it running. And I kept being like, what's going on? Fuck.
I was like the first one around us
Yeah,
to
'cause
jump,
you were
but then
gone.
some of the Yamis on the left of you pulled up the inside. The guy with the ponytail.
All right, so that's it for this video. I got 40th out of 45, but it's whatever. Didn't get hurt, so we'll see what Scott gets later. But right now, I'll end it with some clips of the pro race. Should be pretty fun to watch. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.